guys, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Memories by Maroon 5 on the acoustic guitar. Before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and a like as we go along. Right, in order to play this song you're going to need to have a capo, and that capo is going to go across the 4th fret of the neck. And there's a couple of chords you need to know as well. These are G major, D major, not D minor, D major, B minor, E minor, and C major. And there's a little bit of plucking going on, which we'll look at in a second. So we've got our first chord, which is our G. So how are we playing this? I shall explain. We've got our first finger on the fret number 6, string number 5. Second finger is going on string number 6, fret number 7. I've got my third finger on fret number 7, string number 2. And then my pinky finger is on fret number 7, string number 1. And I'm going with my plucking 6th string with the thumb. First finger is taking the 4th string, and then I'm plucking string 3 and 2 with my 3rd and 4th finger. So and then we move to the D major. That's the second chord. So D major, first finger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, second finger on the 6th fret of the 1st string, and your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. And I'm plucking the root note with my thumb, the D, string number 4, and then I'm plucking 3, 2 and 1 with my finger 1, 2 and 3. Third chord you're going to need to know is your E minor, beg your pardon, E minor. And your E minor is played, second finger is going on the 6th fret of the 5th string, third finger's tucked underneath on 6th fret of the 4th string. So we've got plucking is thumb on string number 6, plucking string number 4 with my first finger, and then I'm plucking string 3 and 2 with my 3rd finger and 4th finger. So let's try those all together. Then we're moving to that B minor position. Now this is where you're going to need to know a bar chord. So we're going to bar all of fret number 6. We're going to put our second finger on fret number 7, string number 2. We're going to put our third finger on fret number 8, string number 4. And then we're going to put our pinky finger on string number 3, fret number 9. Fret number 8, beg your pardon. It's tucked underneath. Press nice and hard with those. So we've got this. And again, root note on the 5th string, and then I'm plucking string number 4, 3 and 2 with my 1st, 2nd and 3rd. And then we move to our next chord, which is a C major. To play this chord, you need to have your first finger on fret number 5, string number 2. Second finger on string number 4, fret number 6, and then third finger on fret number 7, string number 5. And you're plucking thumb on the 5th, first finger on the 4th, and then you're plucking 3 and 2 with fingers number 3 and 4. Let's try that together. We're going back to that G chord now, so that first chord that we learned. Back to the C, and then back to the D. So we've got first chord, G, second chord is D, E minor, B minor, C major, G major, C major, and then back to the D major. So let's slow that right down now. So let's slow that right down now. Let's speed it up. So what I recommend doing with this track is play along with the track, the Maroon 5 track, and try and get the speed, try and get the transitions right. Those chords come in quite quickly, so the transitions are quite quick. But the more you practice, the better you will become. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I answer any questions that you put on the YouTube channel, so I'll do my best to answer them and get back to you. Right, I shall see you again very soon. Bye-bye.